Gold, a word that has echoed through the ages, a word that has captivated humans for millennia, sparking dreams and ambitions. Its warm glow and enduring shine have made it a symbol of wealth, power and beauty across cultures and eras. From ancient civilizations to modern societies, the desire for gold has driven exploration, trade and even conflict, shaping the course of history. But where does this precious metal come from? How is it formed deep within the earth? How does it travel from the depths of the earth to become a gleaming bar or a piece of exquisite jewelry adorning the necks and fingers of the wealthy? The story of gold is an epic journey, a saga of discovery and transformation. It's a tale of human ingenuity, perseverance and the enduring allure of this precious metal that has fascinated us for centuries. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of gold mining, tracing its path from mine to market, from raw ore to refined beauty. We will uncover the science, the history, and the environmental impact of this global industry, exploring every facet of its journey. Prepare to be amazed by the scale and sophistication of modern gold mining, where technology meets tradition. Discover the intricate processes that transform raw ore into gleaming bars of pure gold, ready to be crafted into treasures, and contemplate the responsibility we all share in ensuring the sustainable and ethical sourcing of this precious resource, preserving its legacy for future generations. The quest for gold has shaped human history in profound ways. Think of the California gold rush of 1849, a pivotal event that drew people from all corners of the globe. Thousands of people, driven by dreams of striking it rich, rushed westward to seek their fortune, leaving behind their homes and families. This mass migration transformed the United States, leading to the rapid development of California. It had a lasting impact on the American West, shaping its economy and society in ways that are still evident today. Then there's the Klondike gold rush of 1896, another chapter in the saga of gold fever. This frenzied search for gold in the Yukon Territory of Canada captured the world's imagination and drew adventurers from far and wide. Prospectors faced treacherous conditions to reach the gold fields, battling extreme cold and rugged terrain. Many endured unimaginable hardship in their pursuit of riches, with only a few striking it lucky. These gold rushes, while historically significant, were often characterized by boom and bust cycles, leaving behind ghost towns. Towns sprung up overnight only to be abandoned as quickly as they were founded, leaving a haunting legacy. The quest for gold, while alluring, was often fraught with danger and disappointment, with many dreams left unfulfilled. Yet, the legacy of these gold rushes endures, preserved in monuments and museums. They remind us of the powerful allure of gold and its ability to drive human ambition to extraordinary lengths. They also serve as a reminder of the importance of responsible resource management and the need to balance economic development with environmental stewardship, ensuring that the mistakes of the past are not repeated. Today, gold mining is a far cry from the pick and shovel days of the gold rushes. The industry has evolved dramatically over the years, embracing new technologies and methodologies. Gone are the days of individual prospectors panning for nuggets in rivers. These early methods were labor-intensive and yielded minimal returns. Modern gold mining is a high-tech industry. It relies heavily on automation and cutting-edge machinery to increase efficiency and safety. It utilizes sophisticated equipment and advanced techniques to extract gold from the earth. These innovations have revolutionized the way gold is mined, making the process faster and more efficient. There are three main methods of modern gold mining: placer mining, hard rock mining, and open pit mining. Each method has its own unique processes and equipment. Each method is suited to different geological conditions and ore grades. Geological surveys play a crucial role in determining the most effective mining method for a given site. Each comes with its own set of environmental considerations. Mining companies must conduct thorough environmental impact assessments and implement reclamation efforts to restore mined areas. Placer mining is used to extract gold from alluvial deposits, which are basically areas where gold has been deposited by water. This method is often used in riverbeds and floodplains. Hard rock mining involves extracting gold from solid rock, often deep underground. This method requires extensive drilling and blasting to reach the gold-bearing ore. Open pit mining, as the name suggests, involves digging a large open pit to access and extract gold ore. This method is typically used for deposits that are close to the surface. Despite the technological advancements, gold mining remains a challenging and complex endeavor. Miners often work in harsh and dangerous conditions to extract this precious metal. It requires significant investment, skilled labor, and a deep understanding of geology, engineering, and environmental science. Planning and coordination are essential to ensure the success of a mining project. Yet the rewards can be substantial, both economically and in terms of the technological advancements that mining often drives. The gold extracted not only fuels the economy, but also spurs innovation in various fields. Section 4. Placer mining, sifting for treasure. Imagine a river, its waters carrying tiny flecks of gold downstream. Over time, these flecks settle in areas where the current slows. This is where placer mining comes in. It's the oldest and simplest form of gold mining. Placer mining uses the force of water to separate the dense gold from lighter materials like sand and gravel. Think of panning for gold, swirling water in a pan to separate the gold at the bottom. This is a basic form of placer mining. On a larger scale, placer miners use equipment like dredges and sluice boxes. Dredges are essentially floating excavators that scoop up sediment from riverbeds. Sluice boxes use flowing water and gravity to trap the heavier gold particles. While seemingly simple, placer mining can have a significant environmental impact. It can disturb riverbeds, alter water flow, and release sediment downstream. Responsible placer mining operations take steps to minimize these impacts. They may recontour disturbed areas or implement sediment control measures to protect water quality. Section 5. Hard rock mining, delving into the depths. Deep beneath the Earth's surface, veins of gold course through solid rock. This is where hard rock mining comes into play. This method targets gold deposits found within solid rock formations. Hard rock mining often involves digging tunnels and shafts to access the gold-bearing ore. It's a complex and often dangerous undertaking requiring specialized equipment and skilled miners. Once the ore is extracted, it's transported to the surface for processing. This involves crushing the ore and using chemicals to separate the gold from the rock. The process can be energy-intensive and requires careful management of waste materials. Hard rock mining can have significant environmental impacts, including habitat disturbance, deforestation, and the potential for water and air pollution. Modern mining companies are increasingly adopting sustainable practices. They aim to minimize their footprint and reduce the environmental impact of their operations. Section 6. Open pit mining, a scar on the landscape. Open pit mining is a method used when gold deposits are found close to the surface. As the name suggests, it involves digging a massive open pit to access the ore. These pits can be vast, stretching for miles and reaching depths of hundreds of feet. The scale of open pit mining is truly awe-inspiring, but it also comes with significant environmental consequences. The removal of such large amounts of earth can dramatically alter landscapes. It can disrupt ecosystems and lead to habitat loss. Open pit mining can also generate significant amounts of dust and noise pollution. Recognizing these impacts, many mining companies are exploring ways to make open pit mining more sustainable. This includes minimizing the size of pits, implementing dust control measures, and restoring mined areas to their former state. Section 7. From ore to gold, the refining process. The journey of gold from mine to market doesn't end with extraction. The gold ore mined from the earth still contains impurities. It must undergo a refining process to extract pure gold. This process typically involves several stages. First, the ore is crushed and ground into a fine powder. Next, it undergoes a series of chemical treatments to separate the gold from other minerals. This often involves the use of cyanide, a highly toxic chemical that requires careful handling and disposal. Once the gold is extracted, it's melted down and cast into bars or ingots. These bars, typically weighing around 400 ounces, are the standard unit of trade for gold on the international market. The refining process is energy intensive and requires specialized equipment and expertise. However, it's essential to transform raw gold ore into the valuable metal we know and prize.